Hey there, and welcome to Learn Fun English. I'm Mira J, but you can call me MJ. Yep, we're keeping things chill around here. Here, we don't just study English, we live it. Through stories, real life phrases, and easy practice, you'll level up without the stress. If you're ready to speak English with more confidence, sound more natural, and actually enjoy the process, you're in the right place. Stories